Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. And my dear friends, because of Good Friday, all the stock exchanges and commodities exchanges are closed. As a result, you can see that there is not much movement in the market, and our favorite, beloved gold is not moving. The commodities exchange is also closed. As a result, gold, oil, all will be taking rest for the day. If you look at the forexfactory.com, you can see that we have bank holiday throughout the world. So as a result, do not expect much volatility during the day. But yes, NFP is coming up. So as a result, after NFP, we may get to see some volatility. Okay, so I'll suggest everyone to take rest. No need to trade as of now. Come on Monday. And if we look at the chart of DXY, then yes, DXY is still trading above 101.9. Okay, we discussed in our previous videos that 101.9 is a crucial support. When DXY broke the support, we thought that market would be heading towards the last support of 100.80. But now we can see that DXY is not ready to surrender, and we can see a falling wedge pattern on the chart. Okay. Usually we see charts talking before the news. So yes, there is a possibility that after NFP or by Monday, DXY may show some recovery. And nothing much to talk about gold because the gold market is closed. Okay, so I will simply come tomorrow and tell you, okay, that what should be our next trading strategies on the chart of gold right after NFP. And if you look at the chart of euro dollar, then on the chart of euro dollar, I will not be recommending any levels for the day because this chart is not a good chart for me. Personally, I will be avoiding euro USD right now because for me market is stuck in the middle. In case during the day you see market coming to 1.0863 level, and if you see market taking support around this area, you can look for a buy position. But apart from 1.0863, okay, I do not see any other trading opportunity on the chart of euro USD. And if you look at the chart of GBP USD, then GBP USD is in clean uptrend right now, stuck. Okay, right now stuck in swing highs. So let the market come down. In this type of market, taking a buy at dip is the perfect strategy that you can follow. And the levels are 1.2369. This is 2, okay, and 1.2353. These are the two levels on the chart of GBP where we can look for buy positions. But again, I'm repeating that try to take risk for the day. But if you're too desperate for the market, you are in deep love with the market, then you can look for these levels. Personally, I will not be trading because volatility is important. After taking a position in the market, obviously you want the market to move. Okay, so if the market doesn't move, then it's quite frustrating. So as a result, personally, I will not be trading, and I'll suggest the same for you guys. And be careful during NFP. Market may show some volatility, so do not gamble with the market. Okay, so let's catch up tomorrow. Then we will meet tomorrow. I'll be coming up with the levels for Monday and the next week. Bye bye. Take care. Enjoy the day.